dangerous. She came at me.
Feet in the sand, ooh, so free. Palm trees sway, just you and me. Waves are calling, it's begun. Living life on the island in the sun. Dance, dance under the sky. Feel the heat, just you and I. This is our perfect getaway fun. Forever on this island in the sun. Sipping on cool drinks, oceans near, so near, so near. Music carries, no worries here, right here. Laughs are shining, everyone, everyone. We're alive on the island in the sun. Dance, dance under the sky. Feel the heat, just you and I. This is our perfect getaway fun. Forever on this island in the sun. Ooh, the stars come out.
Cigars here on site that can assist you with whatever you may need. Alright? Going over to my left, over the wooden bridge up the white stairs. It's a little dark at the moment, but that would be the main restaurant and bar, which is the Grove House. It is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast starts at 7, it ends at 10. Lunch is from 12 to 3, and dinner would be by seating, which start as early as 5:30, followed by 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and 8 o'clock. Would you like to make a reservation for tonight? Once you're finished, you let us know, or the front desk there, and we pick you up, or they bring you over.
The Wi-Fi good?
Yes, they have their own Wi-Fi too, so.
Okay.
Open Wi-Fi. It's done daily, and we also do laundry service at a additional
Look
cost.
at the little ducks, guys. Oh my gosh. You all see the little ducks right there? They are so cute. So awesome. I think that's Daddy Duck right there, keeping watch. Okay, so this is when you are walking up. So when you're walking up, you're walking the Belize collection. So as soon as you come in, you will see that they have a nice little couch right here for you to sit and have your coffee. And over here, we have the hammock. What I like is that fan right there that they have for your hammock. And this is the front door. This is a nice light, a lantern. Okay, so we go in. Okay, welcome. All right, so as you can see, so there's usually one bed here, a nice little area for you to do your meetings or whatever you want to do. So because I came with my kids, they gave us, they usually a sofa here, but they turned it into an extra bed so that we have enough space. All right, and then I love this mirror right here. How nice, right? So right now I'm wearing this top from Shein. I don't remember where I got the Sheins from, but this is my breakfast look for this morning. Over here they give us a nice water cooler, and you also get the coffee bar and the refrigerator. Now inside the refrigerator they have like some little snacks and stuff that you can consume. However, you have to pay for that if you do that. And over here is a closet, and inside this closet you have your safe and you have your closet for your stuff, and some yoga mats up there just in case you're into all that. And then we have the bathroom, which is very, very nice and spacious. On this side you have your very nice big shower, and your sink is on this side. I like that they gave us some robes, so that's very nice. And then over here is the toilet. Okay, so we have been here for one night already, but again, when we came in we were so tired, so it's a quick tour. All right, heading to breakfast. See you then. Bye. It's a bad habit of bye. Yeah.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do is so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting out.
I remember the alright guys, so my food is here. I got the fried jacks. So with the eggs and bacon and beans.
I just need a picture.
And this is actually called the village breakfast. So yes, let's see. Can I get an orange juice?
Orange juice.
Thank you. What is this? So I taste like maybe like a coconut or something. The eggs. The eggs are so good. Oh my God. Fried duck bacon. So good. So pretty. Look at that, look at that, look at that.
Wait, who told you that?
Where you guys going? Where you going? At the pool? We're by the pool, but I'm gonna go from the truck. Yeah, I could go ahead. if I want to go swim?
Mom, you gotta go swim.
I am going, baby.
Hi guys, welcome to the day.
Oh, you're talking in the camera. Say it again.
Okay, what's up guys? Today we are but it's in the morning. Look at this. It's top to the water, but it says the water's too deep.
Okay.
Well, Connie, he sit right there.
Oh, Pawnee. Oh, let me see Pawnee. Look at Pawnee, guys. Pawnee came all the way to Belize. Came all the way to Belize. Look at him. All right, baby. Aquila, you could be in there or in here. You can swim right here too.
Feet in the sand. Ooh, so free. Palm trees sway, just you and me. Waves are calling, it's begun. Living life on the island in the sun. Dance, dance under the sky. Feel the heat, just you and I. This is our perfect getaway fun. Forever on this island in the sun. Sipping on cool drinks, oceans near, so near. Music
Hey guys,
carries.
we are heading for dinner, my niece's birthday dinner. So I have on this cute little dress from Fashion Nova. These heels, these polka dot heels, I got from Shein. My earrings are from Shein. And yeah, that's the look for the night.
Your thing, girl.
All right. What's going on? Me too. Yeah. Do too much we do too much driving in the States. So we do too much driving. Too much driving in the house. Alright, so you wait right here, stop right here. Alright, I got the whole, you know what, I forgot the light, so I'm gonna use this one. Alright, come on down, Aquila. Yeah, birthday girl, yeah, next.
Mom,
Yes.
can I have contact with me? I'm walking.
Alright, Sunny, looking pretty. Lashy looking pretty. Addy looking pretty.
Sexy too bad.
Alright. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, I got a little beat though. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hey, okay, I got a little beat going. Very nice. Thank you. Blow the candle, baby. How much? Wait, how much? How do you? Okay, let's count then. 1. Huh? Are we counting? Or what you doing?
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Happy birthday. I think that's right for me. You don't gotta cut that. Cut the chicken. Got the lips. Right. Okay, so let's see how this is. Girl, I am sure that thing is not that hard. So this is the veg. But this good. Need a potato. Alright, now I'm going in for the ribs. Soft. Put it in the sauce. My ribs is good. That's ribs. It's sweet potato, but it's the way they did it, they blend it. And it's soft. It's like very nice. So you want to try? How's the chops? My black is beautiful. I love my black. My hair, my beautiful brown skin. I love my smile, my face, my hips. I love my black. I wear my crown with pride. Every curl, every coil, every shade tells a story of strength, of resilience, of beauty. My skin carries the warmth of the sun, the richness of the earth, and the legacy of those who came before me. It is not something to hide. It is something to celebrate. I love my voice. I love my laughter. I love my culture. I love my history. I love the power that lives within me. I am bold. I am brilliant. I am worthy. I am enough. No standard defines my beauty, because I was created beautifully just as I am. So today, tomorrow, and every day after, I will stand tall, love myself deeply, and remind the world that my black is beautiful, my black is powerful, my black is excellence, my black is magic, and I will always, always love my black. Alright guys, so we are currently in Dangriga. We are getting ready to have some lunch. Say hi, Kidam. No? Alright, just hold on. She's checking for the drinks. Yeah, I'm waiting right now. So this is Dangriga Town. We're eating at S and J, man. So this is actually right next to the utility building. For the ladies. How we feeling? I know it is hot. You all are fun, please. Like, what's going on with you? You all live here. On the inside? Huh. I don't know. Is that the inside? Mm-hmm. The inside. How you feeling, Arlene?
Good. I'm good. I'm all to the boat.
We outside. We outside.
About
Yeah.
getting food and soon alcohol. We start to drink after I eat. But I think when we come out.
Alright guys, so we ordered some food. Just waiting for the food now. See what Mama, you know what? I never realized you don't have sauce. You have it? So I got the rice and beans with pickled salt and fried fish and potato salad as well. I think it was really good. I started eating before I started anything to the water. Just to tell you how good it was. I believe it. I believe it. Go back to you. Huh? All right, so we are here at Serenade Guest House. Quick little room tour. Okay. Okay, so when you come in, so this is a guest house. So as soon as you come in, we got a nice AC because it is scourging hot. Television, a refrigerator over here. All right, you have your bed over here and another bed on this side. And then this is the bathroom. Turn the lights on here. Very, very nice. Nice and cozy. Cozy, cozy. Shower over here. Nice shower head. Very comfortable. Very comfortable. Comfortable. And you have your nice mirror here. So you could take your pictures and stuff. Hey. Okay. Alright, so again, this is a guest house. So it's nice. Alright, so we are heading out now to try to find something to drink because it is so hot. Again, we're in Placencia, Belize. Just left Dangriga, now in Placencia. Alright, you all. I'll talk to you later. Ooh, sweating. Bye-bye. Sorry, Pomney. I was saying it wrong. Oh, look. Oh my gosh, Miss Marsha, what is happening? Do you hear this child? I said pony, it's Pomney, and she spelled it out for me like I can't spell. What's happening?
all my posts and then for this week and next week. So next week I have to study. Nothing will be
Nothing.
happening.
Yeah. And beer.
Out. This is what we are speaking of.
Oh my God. In this heat, this
is what we
is beautiful.
This is it.
Go guys, we are on our way to the waterfall.
Good
Let me go up
morning.
and the Kimbo go up.
Good
And then I
morning. Good morning.
press the middle.
God bless your day. Good morning.
Which
Good
button?
morning. Good
Oh, press it.
morning. God
And
bless
then this
your
time the Kimbo go
day.
down, no?
Good morning.
No.
Good
Ooh,
morning.
sorry.
Good morning.
All right, what you say?
Best wishes to you. Good morning. Good morning.
Because I should be able to, because right now when I go up and down, it's zooming in and out, right?
Good morning.
But now I need to make it where the Kimbo could go down to the side, so the Kimbo go to the side. We're heading to the waterfall.
Water, which I think I am going to do.
Absolutely.
So I need that towel to dry.
Mayan World destination. It's right off.
Hey, the crew gone, yes?
Yeah, they're gone. There
They're
you go.
gone.
Beautiful. Sky.
Huh? Oh, okay. Ooh, how pretty! You gonna get in the water? Oh, nice. Look at it. Stay right there, Kula.
Feet in the sand. Ooh, so free.
I saw a tractor come out earlier. So
Palm trees sway. Just you and me. Waves are calling, it's begun. Living life on the island in the sun.
get me to get up. I don't want to get up.
Palm trees sway, just you and me. Waves are calling, it's begun. Living life on the island in the sun.
128. But I'm gonna
Dance under the sky. Feel the heat, just you and I. This is our perfect getaway fun. Forever on this island in the sun.
But I like 128. 128 instead of a whole.
Sipping on cool drinks, oceans near. Music carries, no worries here. Laughs are shining, everyone. We're alive on the island in the sun. Dance, dance under the sky. Feel the heat, just you and I. This is our perfect getaway fun. Forever on this island in the sun. Ooh, the stars come out.
Does everyone have one kick? Does everyone have one kick? I want whiskey.
say it again.
Hi guys, what's up? It's a beautiful night, but I was just heard, looking at is Connie. Say hi, Connie. Oh, I give the turtle
Yeah.
it's good for 10
Mangoes.
times.
That's all I got.
The actually
I'm out of there because we're still going.
they just get the song. Is it the cat? Is the wool or is it the
Like sit down out by the sea.
that?
Having hungry.
It is talking.
Fries and do nothing.
Be like this. This is how we'll answer. Say, there we go.
It's going down. Oh, nice. Oh, there's another one right here. Oh, this is good. This one is good too. Wow. Nice, nice mango.
Mommy, is another one.
Oh yeah.
It's sweet. Mommy, it's not good.
Oh yeah. I'll bust it up. What about this one right here? Oh, not.
Feet in the sand. Ooh, so free.
Oh, Miss Arlene. Yeah.
Palm trees
Okay,
sway,
see, I come in right now.
just you and me. Waves are calling, it's begun. Living life on the island in the sun. Dance, dance under the sky. Feel the heat, just you and I. This is our perfect getaway fun. Forever on this island in the sun.
Oh, see over there, baby. Nice, baby. Huh? Now, why do I need this one? So, today is June 20th. So, we just finished breakfast here at Cozicana. So, today looks like there's a hangout day in Placencia. So, it's such a beautiful morning here. You guys posted on what the day looks like, but so far I'll show you the full fit a little later on. I had some breakfast at here at Cozicana Fried Jacks, as well as with tomatoes and eggs, and had my regular coffee. So it was really good. But hey, keep it posted on the day. See ya. Bye. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So today is June 22nd, Today we are leaving this beautiful village of Placencia and heading over to Cape Harker. So, what we're going to do is we are going to drive back to Belize City, get on the boat, and head over to Cape Harker. So, this is what I'm wearing for the traveling day today. So this outfit is from Fashion Nova. And I have my sandals on. Can't see it because the gimbal is acting crazy. Let's see, I can do this.